In Forex trading, one great trade can change everything. Watch as I break down my 1 to 17-hour forecast on AUDCAD step by step. Make sure you watch till the very end and for you to get everything I'm going to share in this video. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's get it right now. So in front of you right now is a nice setup on AUDCAD right here, a 1 to 17 risk reward ratio. So you can see right here that we have a nice rally base drop to the downside, which we broke multiple structures. Other than that, the market also left behind liquidity right here, which was already been taken out by these big candles right here on Friday. And now what you can see is that if you go to the lower time frame, you're able to see that the market was actually putting in higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows right here to the upside. Already, that's the definition of an uptrend, right? And then what happened? Check. The market ended up breaking the structure to the downside, right? So you can see that the market continued to put up this until the market broke this low right here. And once the market broke this low, it made a new lower high, and then it continued to break structure to the downside. And that's where we are right now. So what are we waiting for? So you can see that this market actually tapped into this POI right here on the 30 minutes time frame, and then it caused a shift in the market direction. So there's a potential change of market direction right here because the lows have been taken out. So what we're anticipating here is simply for the market to do something like this, then come back into our POI right here, then for a potential sell to the downside right here. So that's exactly what we are waiting for right now. So if you go back to the 15 minutes time frame, you're going to see that our stop loss is just slightly above that right here. It's about 5 pips stop loss, and the target is 88 pips right here, making this a 1 to 17.5 risk to reward ratio trade. Beautiful. So why am I so confident in this particular trade? Let me show you. So let's go to the daily time frame. So what can you tell from here? You can easily tell that the market has been going to the downside, and that's pretty clear, right? The market has been putting up lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So very important to understand where the market is going long term. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that there are some obvious zones where the market can potentially react from. So we've got this zone right here, and we have this zone where the market has already reacted, and I've already shown you guys what is happening right there. And you can see that this setup actually works, and this setup, we always use this setup. We actually caught a beautiful trade on gold last week. Check it out right here, using the same concept right here. So if this zone doesn't work, the next zone we're going to look at is that zone right here. But for now, we're going to concentrate on this zone until this zone has been invalidated. So that's exactly what's going to happen right here. So we've seen that the market has already tapped into this area and now causing shift in the market direction. So right now, what we are simply waiting for is a pullback into this POI right here, so that we can see now price going to the downside like we've anticipated. So we just went to the lower time frame and found the order block right there, and you can see that the market created both liquidity right here and also liquidity right here. So the liquidity below here has been taken out. Guess what? We are remaining with this liquidity which is going to be on top right here. And of course, as the market opens, we're going to have an Asian session. So we'll probably wait for the low and the high of the Asian session to be taken out before we can execute this trade right here. And like always, our setups have already been shared in our private communities right here. You can see that this is the focus right here, and others focus have already been shared in our community right here. So remember, the first link in the description gives you access to all that. Make sure you check it out. All right, so this is how it is, guys. This looks amazing. It's a 1 to 17 risk reward ratio. So what I've already done right here is that I've already set an alert right here, so that when the market comes into this area, I'll be notified to actually check out what is happening. not to enter right away, but to just see how the market is presenting itself. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you've learned from this video. You guys, until next time, goodbye and take care of yourselves.